so bright. Called by truth, you rise to stand, a guiding light for this broken land.
Through trial, through storm and flame, you hold on, never shift the blame. With every breath you pave the way, chasing shadows till break of day.
A guiding light we see so clear. In the night you draw us near. Hope and strength in every fight. You are our beacon shining bright. When hope seems lost and dreams do fade, you remind us of the vows we made. Through darkness you will lead us through, a promise in the light of you.
No fear, no doubt will hold us down. With your light we'll wear our crown.
In the silence where whispers grow, a guiding light for